What is going on, guys? This is Dylan from WeTheCoasters. We're checking into Busch Gardens Tampa, getting ready to show you some updates with construction, including the front entrance and the new for 2023 Serengeti Flyer, as well as some other things going along the way here at Busch Gardens Tampa. Rather interesting day today because it actually is a little chilly for once, and that's why we're here today. So without further ado, enjoy today's feature presentation. And first things first, let's show you the update on the entrance. So I just want to show you they're working on this front entrance, and last time they were here they only had this part shown. Now they have some paint on, a little bit of work on the top right over here, so we're getting a little bit of ways to go here, but it'll be a little bit till it's ready to go, but cannot wait. I'm so excited to see this happen at Busch Gardens Tampa. But you can see though, they got all this work done, and this is all covered right here, so more covering. Can't wait. And rides closed for today. Still Skyride and Falcon's Fury. Park is open till 6 p.m. So we're also over here at the Pass Member Lounge because this is the first time that my father's actually been inside here. But the cool thing about it, because I think I mentioned before in the last time we came here, I'll put a link to the top right corner of the card for those who want to check out that video. But you get a view of Cobra's Curse and Monty that's over here on the right side. And you're seeing Cobra's Curse doing its course right now, so you actually get a really good view of it from going up onto the elevator lift to going into the brake run, and then you get a view of Montu over here from the lift hill to about where the mid course is. You're able to see, and then you get the Serengeti overlook over here where you get to see all the animals that you don't really get to see from the train. So you get to see zebras, a little bit of the giraffes over here from up above the third floor over here, and whatever's down here around the bottom area here. So you get to see all that through this area, and then over here on the left side you'll get cheetah hunt over in that area, and then you also get a little bit of Sheikah and Falcon's Fury. You can see where the tower is right over here. And Sheikah, you can kind of see it. It's like right over here, right behind the trees. So you really get a lot of great views around the area. They did a fantastic job around here. So it is very good. So I want to show real quick. So like I said, because I have my father man this one, so they have smokehouse nachos that's over here, and they have jalapenos in it with sour cream, I believe it was, pulled pork, brisket, and a lot of tortilla chips as well with the nachos. So very interesting as well. And then I have the buffalo chicken mac and cheese right over here, and I'll be looking forward to trying that. We'll let you know how it is in just a little bit, but looking forward to it. All right, as we're heading over to the Egyptian section of the park, Cobra's Curse, a 30-minute wait. Montu, 5-10 minute wait. So wait on Cobra's Curse. We're gonna head over to Montu and get a ride on that right now. But as you can tell, there's another reason why we're here today. As you may have noticed last week's Serengeti Flyer is going to be coming to Busch Gardens Tampa in spring of 2023. And honestly, I cannot wait. I'm actually very, very excited. And it's a rather interesting spot, but very, very good. You can see they now have the posters over here, or temporary posters, for that new attraction. This is over where the scare zone's at over here, where the former entrance of Rhino Rally is. Of course, you know, there's scare zones all around over here, and photo ops. And then if you can see from here, even though the trees are in the way, they have it in this spot right over here, and part of it's where the old Rhino Rally used to be. They have a brand new area for the queue and station and everything, and they're getting ready to have this built. So you can see they still have a little bit of ways to go. They have the gondola system up, but they don't have the cars and the arms that swing it back and forth yet. So that's the next of the big things there. They do have the piston machines that's down there. They have some of the theming on the side, and that's pretty much as what I can see from here. But yeah, other than that, that's gonna be very interesting, and whatever's gonna happen next, we'll keep you posted there for more information. I do see also construction workers out there today, so that is very, very good. Good news for all the Busch Gardens fans is that the Bacon Fury pretzel is back, as well as the pretzel wrap bratwurst. They are both back, and they are here to stay, I hope. They also now have pumpkin cream pretzels, and the returning pizza pretzel, of course, as usual. Doing good. So just wanted to show it real quick. Here they are right over here. They have the cinnamon sugar pretzels as well that are over here, as well as regular salted pretzels. And then the pretzel dogs, mini ones right over here. But to see those, that they are back, and real quick for what they are, this is what this is. This is the Bacon Fury pretzel, which is a pretzel wrapped with bacon. And then they also have... We have a pepperoni pizza too, but it's coming out. Yep, exactly. So, just want to say though, it is back, and I'm very, very happy to see that return. Up next for today, we have Kumba. Old school B&M roller coaster. Let's get on and ride. SheiKra, update on here. So this roller coaster will be closing in November to get some maintenance done. Not sure when it will reopen and not sure what it's about, but make sure if you do come to Busch Gardens before then, get there quickly and do it whenever you can. Otherwise, you're gonna miss out. So that's what we're doing right now. over here, they had a little bit of a show at Halloween for Halloween here, but they pushed the tent over because of the hurricane, but it will eventually be back up, so give it some time. Just want to make a mention real quick. It's great when you come to Busch Gardens to see Iron Gwazi has a 10-minute wait. Yes, 10. Let's hop on. So yeah, as you can see, they've got the back all taken care of right over here. A new updated thank you for visiting sign right over here. And that is all painted, all set to go. The front of this also is ready to go. It's just the main thing they got to work on is the side. So it's going to be very, very interesting to say the least. And other than that, that'll do it here for today's vlog. What a fun little trip. Had a little quick one, but good to be back here, of course, always as usual. And what's cool is that they have guys over here working out here. It's literally like perfect weather out here, so they're basically guiding the, you know, the drilling and everything. So these guys are doing a lot of work out here, which is good. See, he's having a good time there. You can see waving out there, drilling everything. It's great. So a little bit of progress left, but once they get that on there, can't wait to see the end result. They should be in the spring of 2023 once they have that ready to go. So until then, thank you guys for watching. If you liked, be sure to give a like, comment your thoughts on this video, subscribe if you're brand new to the channel here at WeTheCoasters by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also follow us on our Instagram at WeTheCoasters. Until then, this is Dylan signing off. Enjoy the rest of your time. I'm out. Until the next video, have a good rest of your day, everyone.